Welcome to the world of AI. Today, we're diving into Nano Banana, a game changer in Google AI Studio. Imagine generating 10 unique images at once. Sounds magical, right? Let's get started. First, open Google AI Studio and create a new project. Simple steps lead to amazing results. Next, dive into the Nano Banana feature. This tool amplifies your creative prowess instantly. Choose your themes and styles. The possibilities are endless, from landscapes to abstract art. Finally, hit generate and watch as 10 stunning images come to life in seconds. Experiment with different combinations. Don't hold back, let your imagination run wild. Share your creations with friends. Collaboration sparks new ideas and projects. Save your favorite images and keep refining them. The creative process is endless. Join online communities to discover tips and ideas from fellow creators. Remember, the only limit is your imagination. Enjoy the creative journey. Thanks for joining us today. Start creating amazing images now with Nano Banana.